Want to make real money online in 2025? AI just made it easier than ever. We're talking game-changing tools and strategies that can take you from zero to launch like yesterday. Forget everything you thought you knew about the online hustle because AI is rewriting the rules. Whether you're a creative hustler, a tech newbie, or just tired of your 9-to-5, this video is your roadmap to success. First things first, you gotta figure out what you're gonna sell, right? Forget spending hours on market research. AI tools like ChatGPT and Google Trends are your new secret weapons. By combining the creative brainstorming power of ChatGPT with the data-driven insights of Google Trends, you'll be able to pinpoint a profitable niche that gets you fired up and sets you up for success. Now that you've got your niche locked in, it's time to build a brand that pops. Forget hiring expensive designers and agencies. AI tools like Durable, Looka, and Copy.ai are your new creative dream team. Durable is a game changer for building a website that converts. Just answer a few questions about your business and boom, you've got a professional-looking website in seconds. Input your brand name, industry, and style preferences into Looka, and watch as it generates dozens of unique logo options. Time is money, right? AI is your secret weapon for automating those tedious tasks that suck up your precious hours. Ocoya is a game changer for social media management, creating and scheduling engaging posts across all your platforms. MailChimp with AI takes email marketing to the next level, analyzing your audience data to personalize campaigns and optimize send times. Pictory lets you create stunning product videos in minutes, while Runway uses AI to generate unique product designs and variations. You know the saying, content is king? Well, AI is your content queen, here to help you create scroll-stopping content that attracts and engages your audience. Imagine typing in "write a blog post about the benefits of AI for entrepreneurs" and watching as AI generates a well-written, informative, and engaging article in minutes. AI content tools are trained on massive data sets, allowing them to generate human-quality content tailored to your specific audience and brand voice. And the best part? AI content tools are constantly learning and improving, so your content is always fresh, relevant, and engaging. You've got your product, your brand, your content, now it's time to get it in front of the right people. AI analytics tools are your new marketing strategists, tracking customer behavior, analyzing campaign performance, and providing actionable insights. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to data-driven decisions. AI analytics tools allow you to target the right audience with the right message at the right time. We just scratched the surface of what's possible with AI. The future of online business is here, and it's powered by AI. Pick one AI tool that resonates with you and start experimenting. Don't be afraid to fail, that's part of the process. This is your moment. The time is now. Get out there and make it happen. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, the online world is more competitive than ever. But here's the thing, AI is a massive opportunity for anyone willing to put in the work. The key is to stop being intimidated by AI and start embracing it. The more you use these tools, the more comfortable you'll become. So, what are you waiting for? The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Get off your butt and make something happen. And don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing insights and strategies to help you crush it in the digital world.